गाइस देखो, ये इंडिया का खेत है गाइस। ये बाली, ये गेहूं का बाली देखो कितना सुंदर, ब्यूटीफुल।
चैनल to welcome guys.
So beautiful and green agri farms we are seeing is very beautiful. Inside that we can see there are some mustard plant which flowers are yellowish and yellow. It's looking very gorgeous, good, amazing. Yeah, see the beautiful peas, and some peas have some white color, yay, flowers in that. And we have some mustard, yay. It's a maize. After 1 month the all plants have cultivated, and we can see in our houses. Here we can see the Diksha is visiting there with the Shalu and the Suman Shekhar. This is the very amazing guys who creates a wonderful memes. Oh my God, we have some wonderful time here. We visited the Dumra railway station. You can see there is one train halted there and a station which is very neat and clean. One small house like a hut is there. No people is there, but one bulb is blowing.
So do we visit there?
See the place. No
There
one
is
is
sitting
there.
Mahadev.
Only we are there.
There is छोटा सा मंदिर.
She Shalu. She have a good exam till now. Today her exam is going very well, and she told us to visit Dumra railway station, and we came there. Now some paddies, some maize. Looks are very beautiful. What is this, guys? You know?
Comment down the name guys.
If you know this plant, you can comment. In our regional language, it's like a jai, which is very useful for the cows and buffaloes who eat and give us milk.
Bihari folk song is playing.
Can you name this tree?
खजूर नहीं है.
It's a tar in our language,
मदिरा.
but we don't know in English. In English, what do you call this plant? Tree, sorry. Near below this, there is one banana tree.
Turpentine.